3 ways to sabotage your health, fitness, and fat loss goals. These 3 things will sabotage your journey each and every time. Hey everybody, it's Brian with Applied Fitness, where our mission is to help motivate, educate, and empower you to become the best version of yourself. And these 3 things I want you to avoid ASAP. Number 1 is aiming too high too fast. Now don't get me wrong, we are all about setting goals and setting targets and ambitions. That's what life is all about. That's what fitness is all about. But oftentimes when you're starting out, sometimes people, they want to reach for the moon, and even though it may have taken months or years to gain the weight, they want it off in mere weeks, and oftentimes that doesn't work like that. We all know that it's when you lose weight like that, what happens is in an unhealthy way, and oftentimes you gain that weight back and more. So we don't want to necessarily go too high too fast. We want to go high, but we want to go in a systemic way. We want very formulaic and have roadmap, have blocks along the way to get us from where we're at now to where we want to go. We want to focus on the habits, not just abstract, well, I want to lose 20 pounds and that's it. We want to say, okay, I want to lose 5 pounds in a week. And then we can start tracking that and monitoring that over time, set those wins on top of wins. It's going to take you to where you want to go. It's going to help you get the results that you want. So that's number 1. Number 2 is focusing too much on restrictive dieting. And dieting is the one thing that sometimes like, well, I just won't eat anything, or I'll eat 800 calories, or I'll just eliminate carbs, or I'll do whatever. And what happens there is, again, that's too restrictive. And oftentimes that at first you might get a little bit of a surge in weight loss, but ultimately it ends to fatigue. You lose your motivation. You lose your, you just lose your mojo because you can't sustain that. And usually the weight that you lose is usually water weight. It's usually muscle tissue. It's not a healthy way to lose fat. And the third is not having a plan, not having a specific plan, much like number 1, just not having a specific plan to say, okay, this is what I need to follow, because everybody is unique. Everybody is different. Therefore, everybody's program should be different. Everybody's program should be unique. That's why a one-size-fits-all cookie-cutter program doesn't work as we age, because what happens is what works for one person is not going to work for everybody. So you want to have a plan that's customized for you, for your goals, for your needs, for your abilities, that's catered for your body type. So those are the 3 things that you want to avoid. Those are going to help sabotage your fitness and fat loss. And I'll give you a 4th one. I'll give you an extra one. How about this? Is comparison, because comparison is the thief of joy. So oftentimes, we all do it. You look on social media and think, oh my God, they look so wonderful, and they're such a good person, and I saw it because I haven't lost the weight, and we start comparing ourselves. And guess what? That head trash starts to wear you down, and you start to think, and you start to really believe, well, I don't deserve to be fit. I don't deserve to be happy. Look at that person. Look at them. It looks easy for them. We don't know what they're doing. We don't know their backstory. You don't know anything about that person. So don't compare yourself to others. It is your journey. It is your story to tell, and I can't wait to be part of that story. So I'm Brian with Applied Fitness. You need any help, you reach out here, and we will help you with your story, and we'll make your story an amazing one. Be great.